I really like the new system. I think it's really easy to use.
The voice-to-fix system has made my role a lot easier, quicker, it's easier, definitely more efficient than what we were under the old system.
Been picking more, I've been able to complete orders faster, we've been able to get more stuff out the door.
With any voice technology solution, we always start with an initial meeting with the customer. Primarily, we always look at the picking process. This is where we can look to increase productivity by approximately 15 to 25%.
Dakota worked with us to demonstrate what those savings of using their equipment would be. They've been responsive all the way through the project. A great partner to work with.
We used to have mobile gun devices. They were getting very slow because they were getting old. Now with the headsets, we're hands-free, eyes-free, so we can walk around with ease and it is much, much quicker.
The reason why it is so much more efficient is because you're working hands and eyes free. You are not having to interact with the device, you're not having to pick it up, put it down. You are constantly moving through the warehouse and through the process and the job that you're trying to achieve.
Check digit on the location.
656.
Check barcode on the product.
136.
Quantity check.
1.
I think the team have responded really well to it. They were a little bit sceptical at the start just because it is something completely new to us, but now that they've been using it for a little while, they've realised how much quicker it is, how much easier it is.
We're definitely picking a lot quicker, a lot better. We've got less people picking, but we're actually picking more. You're now directed to what you need to pick, and if you're not quite sure, you can just say repeat, and it gives you the numbers that you need again. Actual picking mistakes, I would say, have gone down since we've had the new system.
There was some reluctance with regards wearing a headset. Now, generally, the acceptance is they don't want to go back to the old ways.
Dakota's really good. Any issues that we have had, which have been very minimal, have been sorted out very quickly.
We're looking to put it into other areas of the business, such as the packing area, because the pick-to-voice has been so successful in the warehouse. We want those efficiencies that we've gained in the main warehouse to be realised in other parts of the business by using voice.